Certainly, the Elif statement in Python is a way to introduce multiple conditional branches in your code. It stands for else if and allows you to check multiple conditions after an initial if statement. Introduction to if, elif, and else if statement. This checks a condition and executes a block of code if the condition is true. Nested if statements. You can nest if statements inside other if statements. This is useful for checking multiple layers of conditions. Syntax here is the basic syntax of using if, elif, and else. Python if condition on executes this block if condition on is true, elif condition to execution pieces s block if condition on is false and condition 2 is true, elif condition 3 executes this block if condition on and condition 2 are false and condition 3 is true, else executes this block. All the above conditions are false. Example of elif in nested if. Let us create a simple program that evaluates nested if to check specific passing grades. If score 70, print you are passing with a or better. Function evaluate grade score. This function checks the score and prints the corresponding grade. It uses multiple elif statements to determine the grade based on the score. Function check passing score. This function first checks if the score is less than 60 to determine if the student is failing. 60 to do this shows so score the score of student was true so person I find I version 5 quite return then there reason cover used to if the score is 60 or above, it checks if the score is at least 70 using a nested if statement to indicate if the student is passing with a or better. Main program. The program prompts the user to enter their score, calls the evaluate grade function to determine the grade, and then calls the check passing function to check the passing status. Running the code. You can run this code in any Python environment like idle, Jupyter Notebook, or your command line. When executed, it will prompt you to input a score and will provide feedback based on the conditions defined. Conclusion. The elif statement is a powerful tool for controlling the flow of your program through multiple conditions. Nesting if statements allows for more complex decision-making processes. This tutorial provides a solid foundation to understand how to use if, elif, and else effectively in Python.